Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Stephanie. You guys, it's time for my Scentbox unboxing. If you don't know what Scentbox is, it's a monthly perfume subscription. Multi-level, you can choose to pay for whatever level of fragrance you want. I started off at what I call their base subscription, and I used another influencer's link or code to join, and I got my second month of fragrance for free. I also have a referral code down below. If you use that, you will get your second month for free as well, or you can go to their website and they will offer you a small discount for your first month. So I went in and used somebody else's referral because I wanted free versus, you know, like $5 or $6 off. But do what you need to do. I have leveled up. I'm up to what they call their premium level, and that is what I'm getting right now. Slightly more expensive fragrances. Let's see what they sent us for fragrance of the month. Okay, we got Hello Fresh. I'm not going to use that. If you want to use that code, please feel free. Wine voucher. I'm not going to use that code either. I guess it's doesn't matter which side. If you want to use that for the $100 wine voucher, please feel free. What else we got here? Oh, they didn't send me. Usually they send you a card. Maybe I flicked it across the floor when I chucked the envelope. But, okay, I believe this is a refresher of a fragrance that I have purchased or subscribed to previously. This is what it looks like for the month. This is going to be your atomizer. You just dial it, and there is the atomizer. You can pop it out. Ooh. This looks like it actually spilled. Yep. It was, you guys, I talk about this every month. It is loose, and it is very loose, and it looks like a good portion of the fragrance actually spilled out. So I will let them know that my fragrance came and it was partially empty. Usually that's pretty full, and that was extremely loose. So this is why I tell you guys, first thing I do is pop it out to check to make sure that this top is not loose. So interesting thing is the box doesn't look like it's super, you can smell it very distinctly, but you know, it doesn't look like it got all that wet. So interesting. This is Angel by Thierry Mugler. Yeah, it's an eau de parfum. It's Angel. So lovely smell, very strong because it spilled. Oh, very, very potent. Nice smell, but yeah. This is a perfect example of why I tell you guys always to pop it out and do the double check. I had one of these come loose in my work bag, and the entire fragrance dumped all over my work bag. My work bag smelled very good for a long time, but I lost an entire month's fragrance. So, well, that was interesting. Yeah, that's you know, that's about the size of it. Interesting color, kind of a yellowy green. But this is what it looks like. You're supposed to be able to get 2, maybe 3 sprays per day to be able to use this for a month, to get about 30 days out of it. So that's all I have, guys. Funny story, trying to get home today from the post office. I was directed around the neighborhood because apparently there's police everywhere. Apparently there might be an armed person in the neighborhood, possibly a formerly convicted felon running around with a gun. I don't really know. That's the rumor going on, but currently locked in the house. Trying to be very careful about what's going on in the neighborhood until they do the all clear. But yeah, never a dull moment, y'all. Never a dull moment. So I hope you guys have a great day. Appreciate you watching it. Let me know if you got questions on Scentbox. But yeah, if you'd like to use my referral, I would love it so much if you do that. All I get out of it is I get one of these. I can get one of these for free. So, but you also get one of these for free. It would be your second month if you choose to subscribe. You'll pay the regular subscription amount, whatever level you start at, your first month, and then your second month you'll get free. So I like free. Free is good. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, everybody.